Hello and welcome everybody. XELA stock on 8 December. Let's see that was steps on the order to know what is going to be about the price prediction. So we can go for the price that could happen since we can see the XELA stock decrease or increase, and this is going to be about the decrease in momentum on this type and this momentum. So we can go for the circle here, and this is going to be an increase, and after it a decrease. Maybe if we check it out clearly, this is going to be making such a movement in order to know that is what we want to think about. And since we can go for the price that happened on the last stock for the 15 minutes update, this will be our introduction summary, our conclusion about the last stock price prediction.